refraction. When this refraction takes place, what is the refraction for light? Listen to me carefully. Speed of light, general formula C equal to mu lambda. Some teachers will write f lambda also, where mu or f both are same, known as frequency of light. Lambda is nothing but wavelength. Lambda is nothing but wavelength. Light travels with different velocities in different media. That is the main reason for refraction. Velocity of light or speed of light is not same in all media. That is why light undergoes refraction. Listen to me. Suppose this is one medium, just like air. This is another medium, just like glass. Yeah, water maybe. So light is incidenting on the separating surface. This line is called separating surface. So this is called incident light. We know very well. Whenever light is incidenting, there you have to draw the normal. This is called normal. So normal drawn to the surface. This light has to travel like this, but medium changes, velocity of light, speed of light changes. That is why whenever this light is entering into second medium, so it undergoes bending. It undergoes bending. Means it bends. This is the original path actually, but this light is not follow this original path. It may be moving towards the normal, it may be moving away from normal. Light ray undergoes bending. That bending phenomena is known as a refraction. Suppose मान लीजिए I am taking like this. So light undergoes a refraction. It has to go straight line path, but it is bending here. So the phenomena of bending of light at the separating surface when light is traveling from one medium to another medium. So this phenomena is called refraction of light. Phenomena of bending of light at the separating surface is known as refraction of light. What is the reason for refraction? I told you, medium is different, automatically speed of light also different. That is why light undergoes bending. This is called incident light ray and this is called refracted light ray and this is the normal. We know very well in the previous topic also, angle between the normal and incident light, it is called angle of incidence. Angle between the normal and the refracted light, it is called angle of refraction. I is called angle of incidence. R is called angle of refraction. R is called angle of refraction. Remember, R is called angle of refraction. समझ गए sentence? So that is the reason for refraction. Medium different, speed is different. Next, what are the conditions for no refraction? There is no refraction. Conditions for no refraction. When there is no condition for no refraction, where this refraction not takes place, when this refraction is not going on. So two conditions we can say. First one, if light ray incident normally, light ray incident normally, light ray incident normally. Normal incidence meaning क्या है? This is the surface. Light ray incident like this. Normal also we are drawing. So both are coinciding. Angle of incidence equal to 0. Then light ray retraces its path. Here it is moving like this. Okay, na? No bending. So I equal to 0. Automatically angle of refraction is also 0. Okay, na? So there is no bending here. There is no refraction here. Remember, no bending means no refraction. So first condition, if light ray incident normally, then there is no refraction. Here light ray incident slantwise, that is why refraction is there. So second condition, if light is traveling to the same medium is same, okay na, there is no refraction. Light is traveling to the same medium, if medium is same, no refraction. There is another condition, different media, but same refractive index, different media but having the same refractive index, then also no refraction. Medium is same, no refraction. Medium is one first medium, second medium, but refractive index is same, then also no refraction. So these are the conditions you have to keep in mind. Okay na? Now our topic is what is meant by refractive index. What is meant by refractive index? So listen to me. So carefully try to understand this is the refraction of light. And one sentence I want to mention, after that we will go to this topic. Whenever light is traveling from one medium to another medium, the refraction is going on. I told you already, velocity is different, wavelength also different, but one physical quantity remains constant. What is that physical quantity? Frequency. Very, very important. Which physical quantity remains the same when light is traveling from one medium to another medium? Your answer must be frequency. Most important. Frequency remains the same when light is traveling from one medium to another medium. Which factors will changes? Which factors will changes? Speed of light, yeah, velocity of light changes. At the same time, wavelength also changes. Wavelength also changes. So these are the factors changes here. Okay, na? These are the factors changes. समझ गए ना? So these are the points. Now coming to this refractive index. So I will write this refractive index like this: absolute refractive index. What is meant by absolute? Any notes are here? Now, absolute refractive index. देखो here some laws are there. I will explain बाद में, अभी नहीं. So now I am explaining absolute refractive index. Absolute refractive index. Listen to me. Absolute means only for one medium. Absolute refractive index. Absolute refractive index. Okay, na? So symbol is mu. This is called U. This is called mu. Okay, na? Refractive index. I am writing mu. In the textbook, they are writing small n. I am not following this terminology. I am following this one only. Okay, mu. So it is defined as the ratio of speed of light in air or vacuum. Speed of light in air or vacuum. Speed of light in air or vacuum over by speed of light in medium. So which medium it is? It may be glass, it may be water, any transparent medium you can take. Suppose I am taking glass here, so this is called refractive index of glass. I am taking water here, this is called refractive index of water. I am taking diamond here, refractive index of diamond, like this. समझ गए ना? So equation देख लीजिए everyone, very very important. Mu equal to speed of light in air or vacuum, symbol is c. Speed of light in a medium, I am writing v. V I am writing here, okay na? V. And c value is always constant, that is 3 into 10 power of 8 meter per second, which we know very well. C is always constant. So here V changes, automatically mu changes. समझ गए ना? V changes, automatically mu changes. So this is the basic formula everyone has to remember. On the basis of this simple formula, you are getting numerical questions also. समझ गए ना? Now it is the speed of light. SI unit is meter per second. It is also speed of light. SI unit is meter per second. Both the units are same. Cancel होता है. So what are the units of mu? Mu has no units. What are the units of mu? No units. It is just only a number. It is just only a number. Next, mu depends upon, very very important, very important. Mu depends upon, first factor depends upon nature of the medium. Nature of the medium, given medium through which light is traveling, that nature में depend होता है. Sir, I am not getting nature क्या है? I will tell you, remember. So mu air or vacuum, it is 1. Practically if you will find mu glass, mu glass, we will write shortcut mu g also. So value is 3 by 2. This is equal to 1.5. 10th class level, how we are getting 1.5? Practicals also not necessary. In 12th class, we will see mu glass is 1.5. How you will get practically? Mu water, simply we can write mu W equal to 4 by 3 equal to 1.33 like this. So these are the values. Better you have to remember. Most of the times they are giving in the question paper in the bracket में, but better you can remember this thing. Next, depends upon the color of light. It depends upon the color of light. So there is one concept. Remember color of light. Vibja is there, 7 colors are there. So refractive index of violet is greater than refractive index of red. Very, very important. Refractive index of violet is greater than refractive index of red. Remember. Okay, na? So it depends upon temperature also. Thoda sa extra points these are. Mu value depends upon temperature also. How it is depending upon mu proportional to 1 by temperature. The meaning of this sentence is temperature is more, refractive index will be less. Temperature is less, refractive index will be more. Reverse. Correct na? So these are the points. Next, mu has no units already available. So remember these sentences. Next one more important point. Listen to me. Here mu is equal to, since mu equal to c by v, I am changing this equation in terms of lambda. It is in terms of wave velocities, in terms of speed. Now I am changing this in terms of wavelength lambda. मैंने पहले बता दिया आपको c is equal to nu lambda. Here also nu lambda. But this is the speed of light in air or vacuum. I will write lambda naught. This is the speed of light in the medium. I will write lambda suffix m. A nu frequency is same. I told you na, when light is traveling from one medium to another medium, frequency remains same. So constant it is cancelled. So finally mu equal to c by v, which is equal to lambda naught by lambda m. Now tell me, sir, I am not getting what is this lambda naught? What is this lambda naught? Wavelength of light in air or vacuum. देखो easily. Speed of light in air or vacuum. Now it is wavelength of light in air or vacuum. What is this? Speed of light in the medium. It is called wavelength in the medium. M indicates medium, na? Medium means it may be glass, any transparent medium through which light is traveling. समझ गए ना? So this is called medium. So if lambda values were given, use this formula. If velocities were given, use this formula. According to given data, use the formula to find mu value. समझ गए ना? Always c by v is not suitable. Always lambda naught by lambda m is not suitable. Observe the given data, then follow. You will get the answer. Next, one more important point. Listen to me. Listen to me. Here one of the example if you see, so if you consider any two members, one member is having more mu value, another one is having less mu value. So any medium having mu value more, mu is equal to more. So mu is more, what about the velocity?
Less.
Less. Speed of light is less. So this type of medium is known as denser medium, remember. It is called optically denser medium. Exact word is optically denser medium. Denser medium, very, very important words. Remember, I am going to use these words again and again. Next, if mu equal to less, mu is less, velocity of light is more. So this type of condition for any medium, it is called a rarer medium, optically rarer medium. Remember this thing. Optically rarer medium. Denser medium, rarer medium. समझ गए ना sentence? Next. Now, just for example, if I am asking glass and water, so who is rarer, who is denser? Who is rarer, who is denser? In these two, who is rarer, who is denser?
Glass is denser.
Glass 1.5, water is 1.33. So refractive index of glass is more. Refractive index more means that medium is denser.
Denser.
So out of glass and water, glass is the denser medium, water is the rarer medium. If you will consider air and water, water is denser medium, air is rarer medium. समझ गए ना sentence? That is the sentence number. Okay. Next. According to this condition, देखो we are giving questions in the reverse manner. These teachers we will give the questions in the reverse manner. Reverse manner means in which medium velocity of light is more. So velocity of light is more means the medium is called rarer medium. Velocity of light is less in denser medium. Reverse points also you have to remember. In denser medium speed of light is less. In rarer medium speed of light is more. Very important point. Very nice point. Basing on this simple sentences, we are going to study the next concept. What is happening when light is traveling from one medium to another medium? You are saying, sir, refraction takes place, bending takes place. How it is bending, I have to see. In daily life also we are observing, consider a beaker, water is taken, keep one pencil, that pencil appears to be bending. Correct or not? A person is swimming in the swimming pool inside, ऊपर से हम लोग देखा, so his image is moving like that. Correct or not? Okay na? So these are due to the refraction phenomena. Now, basing on this simple sentence, I am going to explain one topic. The topic is, what is the topic? Light travels from denser to rarer medium. Light travels from denser to rarer medium. So what will happen? Very nice points these are. Light travels from denser to rarer medium. Listen, this is a denser medium, means mu value is more, velocity is less. This is a rarer medium and mu value is less, velocity will be more. This is the separating surface. Light is traveling, light is incidenting, and this is the normal. This is the incident light ray, and this is the angle I. This is the angle I. So light has to travel in the straight line path actually, but here मैंने बोला आपको, देखो here velocity of light is more, it is entering into second medium, rarer medium. So velocity is more, so light is traveling जोर से fastly, then light ray bends away from the normal. Actually it has to go like this, but the light ray is bending away from normal. More velocity, na? So it is moving fastly, bending away from normal. So this is called angle of refraction. So two sentences you have to remember. First point, light ray bends away from normal. Light ray bends away from the normal, remember. And second important point, light ray bends away from the normal. Second important point, angle of refraction is R. This is angle of incidence. Observe these two angles, who is more, who is less. I value, R value, you can observe who is more here. R value is greater than I value. Very nice point, simple point. समझ गए sentence? Next. Condition you can reverse. Of course, if you go to 12th class, some extra points are there. Deviation. Deviation meaning is this angle of deviation. So angle of deviation delta equal to, so difference of these two, high value minus low value. 10th class level, just listen and leave it. Now light travels from, reverse topic, light travels from a rarer medium to denser medium. Rarer medium to denser medium. So what is happening? Rarer medium to denser medium. This is a rarer and this is a denser. Here mu value is less, velocity is more. Here mu is more, velocity is less. Light is incidenting like this. Angle of incidence, it has to go like this. Here velocity is less, na? That is why light ray bends towards the normal. Light ray bends towards the normal. So here also sentences, light ray bends towards the normal. And here, if you see I value, R value, who is more, who is less here? I is greater than R. So if they are asking angle of deviation, if they are asking delta equal to high value minus low value, I minus R. This is called angle of deviation. So remember these sentences which are very, very useful, simple sentences. And again I am saying no need to by heart. Why it is bending away, velocity is more. Why it is bending towards, velocity is less in this denser medium. So these are the reasons. So basing on these sentences, we are explaining these sentences. Remember, optically denser medium, optically rarer medium. समझ गए ना? Okay. Now one more important one. This is absolute refractive index. Absolute refractive index. Now this is for only one medium. देखो, only for air, only for glass, only for water I am writing. For one medium, it is absolutely for one member. Absolute refractive index. समझ गए ना? Absolute refractive index. If two media I will consider. If two media, so two I will consider. The topic is relative refractive index. What is the topic here? Relative refractive index. Listen to me carefully. Relative refractive index. Relative refractive index. So again I am saying relative means two members. So 10th class level you can remember. So some points here. So simple points. Relative refractive index. You are going to get the numerical questions. Relative refractive index. देखो in the question papers also, in the textbook also, sometimes they are not writing total spelling. Refractive index, simply they are writing R dot I. Okay na? R dot I. This is called refractive index. So try to understand it now. Okay. Relative refractive index meaning क्या है? Relative means comparing with others. Okay na? Refractive index of, देखो I am writing shortcut. Refractive index of one medium with respect to another medium, W dot R dot T, with respect to another medium. So we are comparing one medium with another medium. So it is called relative refractive index. It is called relative refractive index. It is called relative refractive index.